I learned something new here today that I just had to talk about it because I'm so excited. I think I'm going to have you do it to my home. A humidifier that isn't just a little room humidifier.
Yeah, it's a whole house humidifier. It'll humidify the entire home wherever the ductwork is going.
Well, I grew up in Oregon, so it's so moist there and so wonderful, and I moved here to Utah 20 whatever years ago, 30 years ago, and I'm so dry and I can't lotion up enough, and I need this in my home, and you can retrofit my house to fit this.
Yes, absolutely. When it comes to humidity here in our area, we're in a desert area, and our humidity can get really low during the winter. Everybody locks up their houses and run their furnaces on high, and our humidity really goes down. So this is a very, very popular product here in Cache Valley, northern Utah.
I'm so excited, and it's affordable. You told me the price of up an average before we started to film. You've got to come in here and find out how much because it's so affordable.
It is. It is. It's not that expensive to put humidified air into your home. It's relatively easy, and it works really well. We have humidistats that can control it to different levels because some people may want a little more, or some people may want a little less. So
because then I can control the humidity. It's almost like my furnace controller. I can just put it wherever I want to, and I love this, Brock. I'm so excited because also not only for my own skin and hair and stuff, but my wood floor.
Yeah, absolutely. Humidification is important for, skin, sinuses, wood floors, wood cabinetry, pianos, static electricity. I mean, it takes care of a lot of things.
Okay,
so.
Happy girl, happy girl. And then the next thing I love is this what is it, high efficiency, or what's the word on this filter?
This is a high efficiency air filter. There's a lot of different levels on air filtration, definitely. I mean, because air filtration can do as little as just dust removal, as high as to helping people with asthma and allergies and stuff like that.
Exactly. Well, there is such a big talk in the world today about this and air purification, and so important to get rid of those allergens in our home. I love that as well. And is that an easy fix?
It is. I mean, and that's the thing about indoor air quality is a lot of people don't understand how affordable it is, because indoor air quality is humidification, cleaning of your air, through filtration, also UV protection for killing viruses and stuff like that in the air. I mean, there's a lot of different options for indoor air quality.
See, I had no idea, and I would not have thought to call J Mechanical for this, but I'm so glad I can call you and get this done. So we're going to look at my own home and get a bid and find out. In fact, is that how you do it? You come out and you kind of give me a bid? Or
Yeah, we definitely come out, take a look at the house, and kind of, look at the situation and where to put things and what's the best location and stuff like that, and do pricing that way.
See, and then he'll tell me what's best for me in my home. I love that. You'll get me what's best for me. Okay, let's back up a little bit and let's talk about, because JM Mechanical is heating, air, and plumbing. So we've got the water heaters.
Yep, we have water heaters. We install them, service them, along with boilers, water pipes, sinks, faucets, tubs, showers, toilets. We can do it all.
So much more than I had thought about for J Mechanical. I knew the water heaters because you've done several for us over the years. The furnace, of course. In fact, this one right here. Trane is a fantastic brand, and you carry that brand here. Yeah,
Trane is one of the higher ranked brands that come in furnaces and air conditioners, so it is our popular one. It's a really good product. We have a lot of success with it and a lot of people that like it.
But you'll still service all makes and models out there.
Yeah, all makes, models, furnace, air conditioners, brands. We want to make sure everybody gets taken care of. So.
Okay, and heating, here we've got a heating and air conditioning unit together, so you'll come in and install. This is the time of new builds, new construction. You can come in and take care of the whole kit and caboodle. Yeah,
new construction, we can really do the whole thing. We can do the plumbing side of it, the ductwork, gas lines, furnaces, air conditioners, the venting, everything in a new construction home.
Well, and then get your high efficiency. Don't even consider that option. I was given the choice a while back. I took the wrong choice, and it was the biggest mistake. I hate that somebody even suggested don't put in high efficiency, because why would you ever?
Yeah, high efficiency equipment is well worth the money. I mean, you're going to get what you pay for, definitely, and high efficiency is just better quality, more efficiency, for your wallet. They're quieter, better built. I mean, it's definitely a good way to go.
If your builder is suggesting to you to do a not high efficient, don't listen to him. Honestly, learn from the bad experience. Spend the extra money. They're doing it because it's easier and saves them money, right?
Yeah, absolutely. I mean, the standard equipment is what we call it, is a little easier to install, and it's obviously a little less money too.
So I'm not bad-mouthing. I'm just saying, go go with your high efficiency, in the long run, your minimal amount more. I mean, it's not a huge amount more. That in the long run, it's really going to pay for itself, and be quiet, and all these other bonuses.
Yeah, it's not a lot more money. I mean, some people tend to think that the high efficiency is a whole lot more money above the standard equipment. It's not. It's minimal investment. So
Going to pay for itself. And really, there's a lot of tax incentives and things like that out there too that you might be able to take advantage of. So check into that. But J Mechanical is the one you can call to take care of that. Tell us where you're located.
we're here on the highway just by the Maverick here in Hyde Park. You can call us on the phone. Our phone number is 563-6267, and we're here to serve.
They are, and Brock is so great, as well as the whole team here at J Mechanical. Thank you so much.
Thank you.